Okay, we are at the bottom of 30, 50, 5733 ocean view on the downside of the cliff. Men still doing work that drones can't quite do yet. Or fallible men anyways, who can't control their drones very well. Just leave that there for now. We are looking at, pretty much looks like solid stone. At the bottom of this property, and as Steve was alluding to, probably good potential for a rock wall climbing here, because this is all very, very solid. A little stream down here. I'm sure when it's raining, you'll be able to hear that in the wintertime. Yep, all solid rock. Oh, yep.
It's not super strong.
A little bit of it's flaking off.
Yeah.
Okay. Amending that. Not all super.
Maybe where the water's run over it. Or smalling it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that looks a little chalkier over here. That might have been your way down over there.
Right there.
Okay. Oh yeah, the double fence, right. Right. Oh, okay, so it is, oh, shifted a little bit over here. Let's see here. No, I don't know what this is, but oh yeah, I see the lights popping off. That could be a good sign it got a nice soft landing in there. And this is, yeah, there is the fence. Come on, it's a focus. There's the fence line. And this is where we come down.
I really want you to do that, buddy.
And this is what our...
Don't you... I really don't want you to... Don't see anything.
Anything else specifically you want me to photograph, or?
If there's any way to zoom in near the top.
Okay.
Because it looks like it may be looser at the top.
Right. Well, yeah, I mean, based on that oak tree's root system is falling away, so.
Oh yeah, it looks like that's going to be a surprise.
Yeah. Falling off, yeah. Yep.
I don't know if that's...
Yeah. It's flaky. It's definitely flaky.
Yeah, you would not want to climb this. Doesn't look like there's any signs of remediation or anything.
No, no, no.
But definitely right here there's a bend
Yeah.
that is probably eating away some of
Yeah, it looks like we go through, it gets more solid and then it gets weaker and it gets solid again. And this patch does look a little bit possibly weaker. Yeah. So you say it's got sand there?
It looks all the same, pretty much all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
There's some undercutting over there, which is a good sign.
Right.
Jeez. Roots exposed. Coming back to the hillside I see this, right? Yeah, this is not like solid at all. Yeah, that's not a good sound.
No, that definitely felt hollow and rubbery.
Right there, under that fence, it looks completely concave, or almost. That's why that fence is falling away. This is all just collapsing right here.
Yeah, yeah. And yet, though, the tree is still holding.
Now that we
Which-
know we can get up here, I'll see if my wife's cousin can come up and,
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You have access now.
yeah.
So we're down maybe 25 yards from directly below the property where it looked pretty weak. And then we come down here and this rock is pretty solid. That's a pretty cool outcropping.